Yale Real Living Touchscreen Deadbolt Programming, Master Pin Code Setting. The master pin code must be set after the lock is installed. Pin codes can range from 4 to 8 digits in length. In this example, we will set the master pin code to 1234. First, wake up the lock. Option 1 is illuminated. Press the pound key to set the master pin code. Enter 1234 followed by the pound key and watch the visual playback of your pin code setting. When the lock is initially installed and a master pin code has been set for the first time, the lock will then perform the process of handing. Please note, if the lock is connected to a wireless automation controller, it is recommended that it be programmed through the controller to ensure communication between the lock and the controller unit.